Now part G of this question, 10 kilogram, 10 kilograms, 365 grams. We need to change it into kilograms. So this is 10 kilograms, this is already required unit, and 365 grams. This is, we need to convert this one into kilograms. So grams, smaller unit, divide by 1000. 365 divide by 1000. Now this will be written in kg, not g. No more g now. It is changed into kilograms, and that is 10 kg, and this is equal to 365. Decimal was here 1 2 3, so this is kg, kilograms. So we can write 10.365. if we add together, this will be kilograms. This is answer. Now part H of this question is 42 kilograms, 3 grams in grams. We need to change into grams. So this is already in 3 grams, no need to change this unit. Now we will change this unit, that is 42 into 1000. Now it is changed into grams, no more here kg now, and this is 3 grams. So this is 42,000 grams and 3 grams. Now add this one. If we put 42,000 grams plus 3 grams, 3 at unit place, so this will be in grams 30024. So this is answer. This is converted into grams. Now question 13 is ribbon A is 3.25 meter longer than ribbon B. So here ribbon A is longer than ribbon B. So B is smaller part and A is bigger part. So we always suppose smaller value to some variable, some unknown. If ribbon A is this one, which the longer ribbon is this one, what is the total length of two ribbons? So question number 13, let length of ribbon B that is equal to x meter. Let that, because unit is meter, let's suppose the length of ribbon B is x meter, and length of ribbon A, length of ribbon A, that is equal to 3.24 longer than B, 3.24 meter longer than B. So it means plus x meters length of ribbon B. So now the question is, if ribbon A is this one, now the length of ribbon A is 1513. This is length of ribbon A. We can put its value, that is equal to 513.1 centimeter, that is equal to 3.24 meter plus x meters, which was length of ribbon B. So this is in centimeter. Convert in the same unit, that is divide by 100. So this will be 5131 decimal here. This is in meters equal to 3.24 meter plus x meter, which is the length of ribbon B. So 5.131 meter minus 3.24 meter, that is equal to x meters, and subtract these two values. So this is x length of ribbon B. This is x. So what is the question is, what is the total length of two ribbons? So ribbon A is, we found here ribbon A, which is given 13.1 centimeter. We change it into 5.131 meter. So length of two ribbons equal to 5.131 meter plus 1.891 meter. So this will be equal to, so adding these two numbers, this will be 7.022 meter. So this is the answer. So question number 14 is, at a supermarket, broccoli and carrots are sold at this rate, PKR 42 per 100 gram and PKR 20 per 100 gram. So this is broccoli cost, and these rates are broccoli, and this belongs to carrots, 100 gram carrots, 100 gram broccoli. So how much will 1.1 kg of broccoli and 870 gram of carrots cost? So question number 14 is, that is we can calculate here broccoli and here carrot. Broccoli 100 gram cost equal to PKR 42 and 1 gram cost, that is equal to PKR 42 over 100 divided by 100. And how much will 1.1 kg of broccoli? 1.1 kg means that 1 kilogram 1000 gram and 0.1, that is 100 grams. So 1100 grams. I mean that 1100 grams of broccoli will cost equal to PKR 42 over 100 into 1100. So this cancelled with this one, and PKR, that is equal to so 1100 grams of broccoli cost PKR 462, and we can calculate for carrots here. 100 gram carrots cost, that is equal to PKR 20 and 1 gram cost PKR 20 over 100, and 870 grams cost will be equal to PKR 20 over 100 into 870. So 0 cancel with this one, this 0 with this one. So this is equal to 8 2s are 17, 8 2s are 4, 8 2 7s are 14, 1 carry towards the 16, 174, 17. So this cost for carrots, so total cost will be equal to total cost, that is equal to 462 plus 174, that is equal to PKR 426 7613, 1 carry, this is 6. So this should be answer. Question number 15 is a glass contains 0.15 liter of water, more than a cup. So in glass there is a more water than cup. So we can suppose that let the amount of water in cup, that is equal to x liter. Then the total amount of water in the glass and the cup is, total amount is this one. How much water is there in cup? Question number 15. So let amount of water in cup which is smaller, we will suppose the smaller value, that is x liters suppose, and amount of water in glass. In glass there is 0.15 of water more, so it means 0.15 liter plus more than the cup, that is x liter. In the, we supposed in cup, that is x liter. The total amount of water in the glass and cup, so it means in glass and cup total amount, that is equal to 0.842 liters. So now in glass and cup, in cup is x liter plus in glass is 0.15 liter plus x liter, that is equal to 0.842 liter, and that is 2x liter plus that is equal to, we shift this towards the right side, 0.842 liter minus 0.15 liter. So subtract this one. So question number 16 is 16, that is a pen and a pencil cost $5.75 together. So one pen plus one pencil cost equal to $5.75. Okay, the total amount, sorry, Nadia paid 156.70 for 98 pens and 8 pencil. So Nadia paid for 98 pens plus 8 pencils, she paid $156.70. So we have two relationship here. One is this one, one pen plus one pencil equal to this one, and 98 pens, 8 pencils equal to this one. This is actually bought by Nadia. Now from this first relationship we can multiply both sides by 98. So from this one first relationship, 98 pens, if we multiply with 98 each term, this will be 98 pencils, and dollar. Now multiply 156 by 98. Sorry, actually we are multiplying this first relationship. So 98, 98, this 5.75 multiplied by 98, this will be equal to 563.50. So if we subtract, this will be cancelled, and we subtract this one, we have to also make minus this one. This will be 98 pencils. 98 pencils equal to, subtract this value. So pencils cost equal to 406 over this value here will be divided, minus cancel with this one. So $4.52. This is actually cost of one pencil, 4.52, and one pencil cost equal to 5.75. And if we put the value here for pencil, and I mean that one pen cost plus pencil cost, we found here $4.52 equal to $5.75, and one pen cost equal to $5.75 minus $4.52. So one pen cost will be equal to, so one pen cost equal to $1.23. The question requirement is how much how much will Sarah pay for 20 pens and 40 pencils? Okay, so now we need to find the for 20 pens and 40 pencils. 20 pens plus 40 pencils, that is equal to 20 pen cost is we found here, that is 1.23 plus 40, and pencil cost we have already here into 4.52, multiply 20 into this one plus 40 into this value. So after multiplication and addition, this is the answer. Now question number 17. Cheryl has some coins of denomination this one, and this one, 3 types of coins. She has 80.20 dollar coin and 40.50. If the total amount of money Cheryl has is this one, how many $10 coins does she have? So question number 17 is question 17. So she has 80 0.20 coins. So 80 multiplied by 0.20, that is dollar, that is equal to, we need to calculate this value, and this is 80 coins, number of coins 80. So let me write it again. So 80 coins of value $0.20. So multiply this one, and what else is 40 coins of 0.50 dollar 0.50. So multiply both values. So from 2 type of coin, she has he has, that is $36 from two type of coins, and total money he has, total amount actually he has, that is equal to $143.80, and amount came from, here he stated that if the total amount of money Cheryl has, this one 143.80, how many $10 coins does she have? So amount came from $0.10, that is equal to, that is $143.80 minus 36. So subtract this value, dollar, that will be equal to 107.80, and this came from the $0.10. So this is the amount he got in the form of he has in the form of this coin. So number of coins equal to number of coins equal to $107.80 over 0.10. So this will be 1078. Actually here should be number of coins, mean that $0.10 valued number of coins equal to this one. So this was the requirement of the question, that how many $10 number of coins he has.